Here's the fast way to add a table of figures in Word using Captions and the References tab. We'll add the table, choose the label you want, and refresh it later when your figure list changes. First, make sure your figures already have captions. Go to References, then use Insert Caption so Word has something to build from. Every figure needs a caption label. The path is References, Captions, then Insert Caption. Now insert the table itself. Next, stay on References and choose Table of Figures. Pick your label, like figure, then click OK to insert it. A quick shortcut is Alt+S to jump to References. Pro tip: if you rename or add figures, right-click the table and choose Update field to refresh it. Since you're already writing in Word, Gentext can handle citations and bibliography work while you focus on the document. If you write papers, Gentext handles citations and bibliography inside Word.